Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save a screenshot on Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. To save a screenshot on Windows, begin by determining which method you prefer to use. For a quick full screen capture, press the print screen key on your keyboard. This copies the entire screen to your clipboard. To save the screenshot, open an image editing program like Paint or an application such as Word. Once open, paste the screenshot by pressing Ctrl and V at the same time. Next, go to the File menu and select Save As. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the file. Enter a suitable name for your screenshot and select your desired file format, such as PNG or JPEG. Finally, click Save to store the image. Alternatively, to capture just the active window, press Alt and Print Screen together. Follow the same steps to paste and save the screenshot in your chosen application. Another method is using the Windows Snipping tool. To access it, type Snipping tool in the search bar and open the application. Click on New to start a new snip and select the area of the screen you wish to capture. After capturing, you can annotate or edit the screenshot if desired. To save it, click on File and then Save As. Choose your file saving location and format before clicking Save. Windows also offers a built-in shortcut using Windows key plus Shift and S. This will dim your screen and allow you to select the area you want to capture. Once you release the mouse button, the screenshot is copied to your clip. Open an editing tool, paste the screenshot, and save it following the previously mentioned steps. Each of these methods provides a simple way to capture and save screenshots on your Windows device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.